Some of the parents have to go out, they go sell them in front me, I go need racha. Anything could happen, meaning so much stab the little girl get. But so you can't have no boyfriend. But you see a boyfriend is supposed to can love you and understand, and one time you say wait till a time that him supposed to can wait till a time.
Writing you this letter. I'm writing you this letter. Girl, you make me better. Girl, you are my treasure.
Whoa! So what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, I just do one look normal video. I just go talk about something. But before I get any further, I just want to like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about it. You see me? Well, I just feel like I want to do a video about the whole thing, what's going on, because it's not a good look. To be honest, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. For them feel go on, so them pitney with us ban, you know? Them pitney with us ban. I don't know where them are going, so. But anyways, guys, remember to like the video, subscribe if you not subscribe, comment down below, share the video, watch the ads them, don't skip the ads them, you see me? Yeah. But just come for talk my mind. I want to share it out so the whole of the pitney them from all about seats. Yes. Alright, so this video did a go around with two girls. Them say one is 14 years old and the next one is about 15, or one is 15, one is 16. I don't get the age right, but it's one of them age there. They got into a little fights. One time me I got through and I pre the whole thing and get for understand say yo, a man them a war over 15-year-old, 14-year-old and 15-year-old, or 15-year-old and 16. I don't give a frig. The two of them both them a fight over this boy. To be honest, me not disrespect nobody's son, but look at the boy and you know I kill up on himself over a boy. I'm not even gonna say because girl fight over worse than that. But what I am saying is that kids, no matter I put out on all for sending them to school, right? You know the parents are do for sending them to school. Some of the parents have to go out they go sell them in front me. I go need racha. Some of the parents have to go out they go sell them in front for make them go to school. You get what I say? And this is what you go to school for? To fight over man? Till all your face get dig out so badly and all of them some of there. Like seriously, you get a big scar in your face for life. That if it go going. I don't know if it go going. I just only hope it go going because it's not a nice scar in your face. You get what I say? That's not a nice scar in our face. You get me? You get one big dirty stinking scar in your face because one man. And you want to get this girl a war. Girl take knife stab you in your face now. Anything could happen, meaning so much stab the little girl get. She could have dead. The girl could have stabbed her in her yard, stab her somewhere else. And the whole thing is everybody wait till the girl get be a stab up, then them want to come run on and bow them apart. Better just left the girl alone make she war and finish her battle. Because you don't want to come part the war, one time the girl alone get stabbed up and everything. This is not a good look. I don't like we are going into the world, people who are going into the world. I don't know what really are going on with them pitney and what them are think about. Me see our next video now. Two school boys at the bus stop. The boy them look old. Them grown up. Like them in a 10 grade, 11 grade so, or 9 grade, some are grade them so. Guys, I tell you, I never brush teeth or nothing, you know, because this take up on my mind from last night, I want to come out, come talk. So, she did a bus stop, two schoolboys there must be over this side here. Them they over here, so, right? And I don't know if the other guy or the two other guy, them a schoolboy or them old school or what. But them sound like somebody were old school because me see my one like one yard slippers, so probably him old school or something like that. Yeah. the boy a video here no. One time me go home, me I go home go take off my clothes, me I go bathe, me I go put on my clothes, and me I go look for my man, me I go fuck him and suck him dick. Sorry for the bad word. What is that? What is that what man can do for you? What about a man there where you are go fuck and suck him dick, what him can do for you? He must send a go to school. Him know how you go to school. Him, what the hell is wrong with you no pitney? Right now, me wish me could have go back in a school because I can get at least one fucking subject. Sorry about the bad word, guys. If I at least one, be ignorant. If I at least one subject, me wish me could have go back to school and get. And one of the school I know waste on the time, but man this, man that, and you are going man yard, and when your mama will and broke you up, broke you right up. Oh yeah, think about man. You look skin too. You can manage man. You can't manage man. Eh? Someone run out of school and run gun things, and that's why some things reach Yeah. And that's why some things reach because you go like something too big. Go to school go take on an education. That's why someone left school and man have a turn in a ding dong and a deal with instead of dash on a fling on so. As much as me not come out of school with a subject, me try. Man, I sit down, me try. I'm 19 years old. Listen, but the 6 I come here at 20. Nathan is 22. Let me tell you this. We're a trying couple. And the two of we left school with no subject. None of we not have no subject. None of we not have nothing. But you can't look at me and tell us that we don't. Because we don't come out of subject with anything. Because we don't come out of school with subject or nothing. You can't look at me and tell us that we don't. You don't. But kids, some of no mother and father have it hard out there for sending them to go to school, and that's what you go to school for. Man, who love man so? No, who love man so? This is what the man have done, you say it now run away now. It not running away. Because one girl and next one ban, whole heap ban, so not even one, whole heap ban. Stay at school and take it on the education. You get me? Try to make something out of your life. Try to do something with your life. Someone wanna go out there and fling on nobody all about when you get pregnant. Someone don't even know the baby father. Someone don't even know when you pick the father, how it feel. And someone don't even reach the age for going to think about picnic. And someone go there and you go have a picnic and you don't know the baby father because you don't walk on fling on nobody all about you look a young girl out there who love man. You know? Because my cross and I come to talk my man. My business you know just some is here, facts is facts and the thing with the palm my chest me I let it off. And from last night me I think about this. You look a girl you there bus stop or you a talk about you are gonna hear man, you are gonna do what you are gonna do. I want your mama see the video that you see. Your mother not see the video? Jesus Christ. Now this girl I know we are fight. Me want to ask you one question. Suppose the girl is stab you and kill you. Suppose the girl is stab all with your eye or something like that. I want to know which part the girl get knife from. Every school is supposed to make sure so when time the pity them are coming at the school, a security guard at the gate to search them bag or something. Because when me I go to school, that them used to do. Me don't know if somebody give her the knife or she bring the knife to school, but as far as me, see come like a fair knife and she bring it to school. So every security guard need to search them bag before. Something need to be done with the world. Me not like how the place or the place not run nice at all. Two more boy a fight. One next one take one and stab him in the head with the pen. The pen gone right through him head. What the frig I go on to the girl school for? From school up my beer water broke. He come like we don't have plans. It better than lock down but the school and make a turn on here than turn done said. You don't know I walk up and down on the road like madman and walk and beg like some scabby. Some I won't know. You know if you stop it. You must stop it. Especially on the girl pitney. If you stop it and take pride on yourself, have ambition. Have ambition. When time me at 13 or 14, me afraid of man like boost. Me don't know no about man. Me don't even like man. And look at Uno. Look at the size. You can manage man. You can manage with a big man having a pants. I don't know back up on the right man yet. For wall on one day with no bust up on the look skin. Make you go sit on one side. Me ignorant and cross for Uno. I'm not one time I talk about everybody. Cause you have some good girl out there. You have some nice good girl out there who go to school. Them you have them look man, but them go to school and them do what them for do. And you know, hear them part what I talk about, so them have this money or whatsoever. But them say it's enough for the girl them, the silent one, and them are the killer. But let me tell you something. Some of them 1 year. Hey, them girl need to go on better. Need to go on better. But all you have to say, big up to the nice, clean, good girl them out there where you go to school. I want to put the head high to make your mother and your father proud. You know what we do? I could have track or feel or whatsoever you when in a thing where you want to do. Even if you come out of school and you get a subject and you have yourself, be proud of yourself. Be proud, but try get at least one subject because it's not easy out here without subject. May I tell you. And when time someone left school and someone can't go get one work, and man a boxing on, a thumping on, a kicking on, when I go and run back in a school, but it was too late. It's gonna too late. It's gonna too late. Me, my mother often proud of me and often love me. And the same go for Nathan too. Because when time me I go to school, my mother knows I'm keep man. Me hardly keep friend too. Me I wish man, me afraid of man stuff. Right. You need, ladies, you don't need to take pride in yourself as a young school girl. Nobody never say you can't have no boyfriend. But you see a boyfriend is supposed to can love you and understand, and when time you say wait till a time that him supposed to can wait till a time that if him really love you. Enough man now can't wait, but enough man will wait. That is the real man who will sit down and wait for you look up front. You get what I say? Don't get up and jump to this man who can't wait for your front. He don't want you. Him only want to play up in your front and left you. Someone know. Oh, you go one time and forget to know husband. Oh, you go and forget to know husband. You think you don't beat out and everything already? Don't beat out and bat out and everything. So one husband I go get. Eh? One husband I go get. Sit down and think about them. Look for something there. One time, sit down and think about say if you have your pitney. And when your pitney go a certain age, and this someone you're calling him, this someone you're calling him, so all the freak your pitney go feel inside. Eh? And some of the people them follow the mother footstep and I go I start with someone who I love one like you know some dirty germs out here, see? Sorry phone, you know. It's sorry phone, you need to buckle up on the shoes as a young school girl. And a little pitney, but still a piece to the bed. So no need for go to school go take you in education and make your mama and the papa proud. Guys, sorry for all me I go on the video and something, but I'm so upset. I'm very much upset because this world is not run good at all. They need to do something. Something needs to be done because this is getting out of friggin' control. It's getting out of control. And first of all, some of the police, them are try. Them alone cannot do anything. The cops alone cannot do it. You get me? The cops and the soldier them and some of the security them and who's them alone can't do it. Them need help. Them need somebody to push them. Them need help. And when time I say them need help, them need real friggin' help from a good source. Them need help. Them can't do it by themselves. It give me things need to buckle up. What the world I come to? Most time I sit down and I look upon them, some of them I say, where the freak the world I come to? When me like go to school, them things never that even though some look 1 and 2 things that I'm about. Gosh! Come like every day, Jamaica get worse and worse and worse and worse. I'm gonna have to know if them not open up their hand and see that something needs to be done. Jamaica is getting out of control. The kids them are going bad. People them are going bad. Some of the man them are going bad. Some of the woman them are going bad. Something needs to be done. Jamaica was a nice freaking place. Jamaica is a nice place. And most people fear to come to Jamaica because of some of them look dirty people, yeah. Why we can't live like the foreign people them? Live like family, all one of family. Live like family. Yeah? Why we can't live like them? Killing on them, some of them go on over foreign and them look suck me and them look bad as girl without them do over there too. But come on, them think they all go on over there, so why we can't do the same thing every day? Something bad I mean in Jamaica. Every day something different news, a different news. But all me can tell you, if none of them look young girl here watch my video, you just buckle up on the shoes, go to school, take your education, get one or one, two subject, and come out of school with. So a boy can come talk and hype up on you and box and thump you and kick you and throw that garbage water upon you. Because some of you have it enough out here to get. Some of you. Sorry for you. But anyways, this is the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Comment down below what you think about my video. Share it out. And turn on the post notification bell. Remember to watch the ads and follow me on Instagram. The link for Instagram down in the description, guys. So just watch out the video. As I say, like it, share, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video. Love you and peace out. Dirt, mud, sand, stone, gravel, every. Hey! No.